Hey Scrappin' friends, welcome back to Scrappin' It Up, and today I want to do a album share with you guys. I promised you here a while back I done a review of this, and I wasn't done with it yet, and I got finished with it, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. It's been a while back. This is my romance photo album that's 10.5 by 10.5 with a 1 1/4 inch spine, and it has 3 pages in it, and it can hold up to 100 photos. Okay, and it's a romance photo album. It's, made out of the chipboard, and it does use, the Kathy Orta's hinge in it that we all love so much. Like I said, I think it was in December, when it might have been January, when I showed you the unfinished album, because I was so excited to show you guys. I couldn't wait. So I'm coming on today to do that. Now, I do have the tutorial for this album. It is up on my website. And right now, if you want to go over to scrappinitup.com, I have all my tutorials on my website, 50% off, ladies. This includes the cutting guide, the written instructions, and the process videos. Okay, now there is a couple in there that just have the process videos because the cutting guide was just way too hard to even try to write. Okay, for like a file folder album. But 99% of them, I think I only have one that doesn't have the cutting guide and the written instructions. It just has the process videos where I give you the measurements, what to cut, where to cut, okay? And it is a file folder album. But all my other ones have the cutting guide, written instructions, and process videos. So go check it out, ladies, scrappinitup.com. I'm running it probably I had it programmed to turn off on the 24th, so that would be this Sunday. But I think I'm going to probably run it till the end of March is what I'm thinking I'm going to do. But yes, all tutorials on my website is 50% off, so go check it out. Okay, here this album is, and like I said, it does hold 100 photos. There's the side, and I use the Kaiser Craft Romance paper pad. Okay, beautiful paper. And this album would be perfect for wedding photos. It'd be perfect for that. They're nice, and that's what I designed this, that for your like 8 by 10 photographs or your 5 by 7 photographs, with a wedding in mind, maybe a graduation or something like that. So here we have a flip. Okay, so it flips like that. And then we have a belly band, and I didn't decorate any of my photo mats, okay, because I want the person who receives this, I want them to choose where they're going to put all their pictures in this album. Beautiful. This album really turned out really nice. And then it has a pocket here. So I put a couple of photo mats. So when I designed this, I designed it where you could put, some 4x6s. These do not have to be cropped down. You will have a 1/4 of an inch gusset, not gusset, along your pictures. Or it can hold, 5x7s. You can cut down in 8x10. So, like this page, it measures 9.5 by 10. So see, perfect for an 8x10. And again, I want to put a few where you could put some 4x6s if you needed to. But perfect album for any wedding pictures. I just love this paper. Kaiser Craft done a wonderful job. Then you got another belly band. And this album does have 3 pages. And that turns. So So again, you could put another 8 by 10, or you know, 2 4 by 6s and another 4 by 6. You know, that's portraits, and put these as a landscape, 5 by 7. And then here you've got another pocket. Okay. Beautiful paper. I love it. It's vintage, kind of antique-ish. And then on this one, you have a pocket here. Right. And then you have your belly band underneath. See? And there's your belly band. And then this one here isn't a pocket. I closed it up. With my whole heart for my whole life. That is so cool. So if you want to check out this album, like I said, it's on my website, scrappinitup.com. I'll put the link down below to my tutorials. You can just go down in the description box, and I will put it down below. Beautiful album. And this album comes together quite quickly. Now, it does require quite a bit of paper, and you will have some scraps left over. But actually, I mean, the putting it together goes pretty fast, ladies. And there's the back. Okay, that is my romance photo album. I hope you guys enjoyed my little flip through of this album. Like I said, perfect for weddings. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and we will be seeing you guys soon. Okay, so keep scrapping. Bye-bye.